Kanina. I'm Rocky. Welcome to our Mainit Family vlog. Okay ka.
Di mana?
Play? Alright.
Nih.
Wait. You try
A for
letter-
apple.
Okay.
A for apple. A for apple. Apple.
Use your right hand, bro. Right hand, bro.
Yes. A for apple. Yes.
Letter O.
O for orange.
Use your right hand, bro.
O for orange. Yes.
No.
Letter N for nurse.
Use your right hand, bro.
N for nurse. N for nurse. Very good.
E for
egg.
elephant.
Egg. E for egg. Yes. Okay. E for egg. E for egg. E for egg lagi. Oh, bukan tuh. E for egg. Itu F. Yes.
Don't use your nails, use your knee.
Use your meat.
Letter I.
Mana?
I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Ice cream.
Don't use your nails na macam niya.
Tangan macam Yola ya. Kan?
I for ice cream lah, Naira.
Apa nampak gua ni? Ni lah.
Okay.
Macam ni.
Yes. S.
S for apa?
S for spider. S for spider.
Mana?
Mana tahu, you cari le. S for spider.
Ayo mana dia? Di mana?
You find lah.
Find
it
lah.
yourself, bro.
S for yes. Very clever girl. Sama-sama, Mbak. Good job. Apa nih ya? T for tree. T for tree. T tree. T for tree. T for tree. Ew. H for hat. H for hat. H hat. Woohoo. R for rainbow. R for rainbow. R for rainbow. Rainbow. Yes. L for lion. L for lion. L for lion. Lion. Very good. Okay.
Very
U
good.
for umbrella.
Mana?
U for umbrella.
U umbrella.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
U for umbrella.
Yes.
U for umbrella. U for umbrella.
No.
Oh. Umbrella. U. Lupa. U for umbrella. U for umbrella.
Umbrella.
Aku tadi sebut apa? Payung? Aku sebut apa? U for payung.
Umbrella.
U for payung. U for payung. Payung aku sebut.
Basta
U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Yes, very good girl. Apa
K
nih?
for kangaroo. K for kangaroo.
Ada ke K? Tak ada lah, mana ada.
Kangaroo.
Tak ada.
Ada ini ya.
Go.
Cave. Talking hills. Talking that. Okay, G for giraffe. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. 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 Yes. Okay.
Talking hits.
Hills ke tu ya, hills. Talking
Burning.
dead.
B for
Dead.
ball.
Mana?
B for
Boy. B for ball. Okay. L. Ay bukan. Hills.
burning.
Hits. D ada huruf. D. D for duck. D for duck. D for duck. D duck.
Mana ya?
D, you cari. Duck mana? D for duck. Yes. Very good.
Yes.
Correct.
Talking hits. Burning down. W for whale.
W for well. W for well. W for well.
What
Dab.
W for well. W for well.
W for well.
Mana di mana?
Fine. Nanti ke atas tu mana W for well? W for well. W for well. Yes. W for well. W for well. Ahaha. Hebat.
Okay.
Oh, Star Trek cast, ha? Okay, go.
Okay.
Lagi mana? Lagi?
Okay.
Clear.
Okay,
Go.
Lagi pin mana?
Letter A.
A for apple. A for apple. A for apple. A apple. Yes. N for nurse. N for nurse. N. Nurse. N for Naira. N for nanning. Okay.
M for
Ay, jangan
M.
kada.
M for monkey.
monkey. Yes.
M for monkey.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
R for rainbow.
R for rainbow. Apa ni? Ha?
R.
R.
Mana?
You cari lah R. Mana mama tahu. Cari R. R for rainbow. R.
Di mana?
Don't look at the picture la. Look at the letter la, Naira.
Look at the letter, baby. Look at the letter. Do not look the picture. Geram lah aku dengan kamu ni.
Look at the alphabet la. Yeah.
Where's the alphabet?
Where's the letter R for rainbow?
R for rainbow.
R for rainbow.
Ah.
Mana? R for rainbow. Ting.
E for egg. E for egg. E for egg. Okay.
Shimmerman. No. Shimmerman. S.
Shemale.
For spider. S for spider.
Shimmerman. S for spider.
H for hat.
H for hat. H for hat. H. Yes. Dodot.
Naa. Akala.
I for ice cream.
Shimerman.
Shimerman.
Shimerman. Oh.
Okay. I lang. I for ice cream.
Ice. I for
Shimmerman.
ice cream.
Shimmer. Yeah. Woohoo!
Okay, Mom. Pula.
Last one. You na. You can belajar.
You can hebat. You can baby yang
Oh,
hebat.
phrases. T for 3.
No, this one.
T.
Iya, maksud apa praise to ya?
Ah.
Apa praise?
Phrases.
Praises. Apa maksud dia pang?
Google bro.
Hah? Ga.
Hey, you tengok ni.
T bro. T
T
for 3 bro. T for 3.
T for tree. T for bogogak. A for apple. A for apple. A for apple. A for apple.
Ano mana?
Slowly lah. Slowly.
Slowly, baby. Slowly. Go, go, go. Slowly. Yes. O. O for orange. Yes. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Where's your umbrella?
Totoo lang.
Ay.
Ako sudah belajar.
Cepatnya. Stuck.
Nanti mau.
Mana you for umbrella? Just now kita you tahu. You for umbrella. Don't look at this one. Don't look at this one. Look at this one. You find all the letters here. Where is the letter U?
U for umbrella.
U. U for umbrella.
Tingnan mo yung tangan dengan dia bingkok.
U for umbrella. U.
U-turn.
Your turn.
U for umbrella.
Ih, geram lah aku dengan Naira nih. Geram sangat dengan Naira.
N for nurse.
N for nurse. N for Nadia. N for Naira.
E for egg. E for egg. Bro.
Sudah lah, egg tadi tak ada.
Belum lah.
E for egg. E for egg. Ha ha ha.
Peculan.
T. Auto.
T. Lambat ni.
B for boy.
Ball.
B for ball. B for ball. B sayang B blood. Yes, yeah. One apa nih? One apa ya? One fell swap. Play again. Okay, mama pula.